Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friend, we are going to talk about guys Poco phone guys, phone time setting guys. How can we change phone time in our Poco phone guys? If you want to change your phone time in your Poco phone, you can change easily. So friends, now let's see guys how can we change phone time in our Poco phone. In this video, I will show you guys. First of all guys, open your phone setting to change your phone time. So I scroll it. After phone setting, I scroll it. Friends, you can see your this type of setting. Friends, click on your phone additional setting guys. Tap here guys. Click on your date and time setting guys. Click on your phone time setting guys. You want to change guys. Guys, you can see this hour and minute list. So if you want to change it to like 8 o'clock, so you will click on 8 and guys 00 8 o'clock. Guys, you can check, and guys you want to change into am, so guys tap here to change. Then guys you can see guys your phone time will change into 8 am. So like that guys you can change your phone time in your Poco phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video. We will meet on next video guys with new topic. Before going guys, please go and like the video, subscribe the channel. Bye bye friends, thanks for watching the video guys.